Hello everyone, my name is Lovely Marshall. I am the accelerator for Powerhouses, and I am so honored to write this review for our nonprofit specialist. She is truly the grant writer for small business entrepreneur. I'm talking about none other than Brittnei C. She has been so dynamic and impactful. I had the honor of meeting this powerhouse through our SCORE Houston chapter, where she is our workshop facilitator, providing insights on free money. Yes, so although she's providing free money, she is not free, because her expertise and experience saved me years of getting denied, of not understanding the right way to write, what grants are out there. She saves us all of that hassle. This is why you should personally choose her, because you heard it here first. Lovely Marshall, Forbes Influencer, Eventbrite millionaire, now you all's trusted voice for Brittnei C. Check out her classes, listen to her YouTube videos. You also will be inspired and empowered. Just watch your business take off by taking insights from her. Thank you so much.